Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the model number on your cooker. Should your cooker develop a fault or be in need of replacement parts, having your model number to hand is the best way to ensure that you get the perfect part for your machine. Many appliance spares may look the same, but actually differ slightly in shape and design, meaning that a seemingly like-for-like spare part could be unsuitable for your machine. So having the model number to hand is the best way to ensure you get the part that fits for your appliance. Another reason why knowing your model number is important is for the safety of your appliance. You may have heard news reports of manufacturers recalling appliances from time to time due to safety concerns. These recalls do happen and they can affect any one of your household appliances. Continuing to run your appliance after it's been recalled is a danger to you and your home. When a manufacturer does issue a recall, they'll release a series of makes and models of all the appliances affected by the issue. So if you know your model number, you can check through the list and find out whether yours has been affected and whether it needs to be repaired or replaced to make it safe. For more information on appliance recalls, take a look at our video up here, and we'll link even more about appliance safety at the end of this video. So now let's find the model number on your cooker. The information you should need will be on a sticker or a rating plate on the machine itself. For most cookers and ovens, the model number is found behind one of the doors around the frame. If it's not there, it could be around the rim of the door itself, and failing that, it could be on one of the side panels inside the oven. Other places to look are the sides and the back of your machine, or in the warming drawer underneath your oven if your model has one of these. As you can see on this machine, the data plate is located on the back here. For hobs, you can look on the underside, the side and the back of your appliance for your model number too. Once you've successfully located the data plate, here's what to look for to find the right model info. The format of the model number and the product or serial numbers you may need can vary depending on the manufacturer of the appliance. The model number will typically be a combination of letters and numbers and can also contain special characters like forward slashes or dashes. The data sticker may also indicate which number on there is the model number by saying something like mod or model in front of the number. There's some more important information as well as your model number to help make sure that you get the correct replacement part for your cooker. Here are a few examples of how these numbers may be displayed for different brands depending on what cooker you have. If you have an AEG, an Electrolux or a Zanussi cooker, these usually have a model number and a specific product number too, which is usually an 11-digit number which starts with a 9 and before the last 2 digits has a space or a slash. If you have a Hoover or a Candy manufactured cooker, then you'll have a model number and a serial number that's usually 16 digits and starts with a 3. If you have a Whirlpool, an Ignis or a Bauknecht cooker, then you'll have a model number and a service number that's usually 12 digits and starts with 85. If your model number has become faded or rubbed off, then not to worry, we can still help you find the information you need. Take a look at our video up here where we explain what to do if your model number is no longer readable or you just can't find it. So there we have it. We hope we've helped you find your model number and the other important information you need for your cooker and oven. If you do need spare parts for your oven or for any other household appliance, be sure to have this important information to hand. And if you do need spare parts for your oven, we'll link down below on our website where you can find them. As promised, here are some appliance safety tips so that you can keep all the appliances around your home safe. And for more helpful videos on maintaining, diagnosing and fixing your appliances, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!